My dear, my husband vararu work mudichittu. I'm not lying, it's just video.
Okay, I thought you were lying. How are you?
My safe place, my husband, all the things now, it's finished. All the struggles.
C'est fini.
Because my husband is here. Paranga, my husband just, this is my safe place. And everything will melt now.
Tired face.
No, this is my best hobby. இவ்வளவுதான் விஷயம். வாழ்க்கையில இந்த இன்பம் இந்த தருணங்களை உங்களோட ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணணும்னு ஆசைப்பட்டு தான் இந்த வீடியோ. My husband, you don't know that I'm going to do the video. So it was just unexpected. Our followers, sisters and brother were saying everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. And I am gifted with the blessed kind